In this video, you're going to learn how to disable the guest mode in Google Chrome. So right now we are in guest mode. You're browsing as a guest. So you might be seeing something like this. This means your pages that you view in the window won't appear in the browse history and they won't leave any tracks like cookies on the computer. And after you close up open guest windows, any files you download will be preserved. However, which is not a bad thing. So if you want to stay anonymous on the internet, this mode is the best. This is a good thing. But if you want to disable the guest mode, you can simply come and click on this guest button. You'll be able to see the close guest. Also, you can click on these three dots this side and you can see the guest here. When you click on this, when you bring the mouse on this, you're going to see close this profile. When you click there, it closes the guest mode and you'll be taken back. If you're not logged into your account, you're going to be required to log in and then you'll be able to use the browser normally. And this in this mode, you'll be able uh, to save and all the browsing history is going to be saved and you'll be able to find the history later on if you want to. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.